First step is to identify the tapering of the any part which is provided in the kits. For example, here if you see the fin part is provided in similar thickness, but if you see on the plan the part is getting tapered at the top. Okay, so bottom thickness will remain same and it will get taper on the top. For that, the technique is, first you have to just lighten these edges. For that, use 100 grade sandpaper fixed on wooden block and just sand little bit so that your shade of the wood gets yellowish. Do the same thing on all the edges. Make sure you are not damaging the outer shape of the part. After that, draw the rough center line of on the thickness of the part. So for that, hold your pen like this and draw light center line. This center line will be helpful in sanding and taking judgment of sanding. Then identify the sides, like here if you see the front view on the plan and the front view of the current state of the part is not matching. So for that, pause.